I'm a very puzzle kind of person where I like to see a way to solve things. Once I grew up, I realized that this mindset that I have is just engineering, basically. My name is Maddie and I'm an Autodesk Design Make Ambassador. The Ambassador program has a lot of different aspects, which I really appreciate. There's more hands-on, as in hosting workshops or hackathons, the web seminars where you get to meet people who are in the business, whether it's design, engineering. So it's a super great way to learn about the different options regarding what is possible out there once you graduate, and also connecting with classmates through the program itself, and then extending the knowledge about Autodesk to other people on campus. It's super fun. I got to talk to people from other campuses. I got to meet someone from Auburn who helped design one of their new buildings on campus, which was insane to hear about. And now I'm like, what can I do on this campus? My dream job is working in theme parks and building roller coasters. Whatever I actually end up doing is to do something that sparks joy in people.